Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX capture region not working on ShareX in 2026. So if your region capture is not selecting properly, your screen freezes, or nothing happens when you try to drag a capture area, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open ShareX and make sure it is running in the background. If it is stuck or closed, region capture won't work at all. Next, restart ShareX completely. Close it from the system tray and open it again to reset the capture tool. Now check if another screen tool is interfering, like Xbox Game Bar, Discord Overlay, or other recording software. These can block region selection. Next, try running ShareX as administrator. Without admin access, capture tools may fail on some Windows screens. Now check your hotkeys and make sure the region capture shortcut is correctly assigned and not conflicting with other apps. Next, switch capture mode inside ShareX settings and try full screen or window capture to see if only region mode is broken. Now update your graphics drivers because outdated drivers can cause capture overlay issues or freezing screens. Next, lower display scaling in Windows settings if the capture box is not appearing correctly or is offset. Now reset ShareX settings to default if the problem continues because corrupted settings can break region capture. Finally, restart your PC and try region capture again on a simple desktop screen. And that's it, you've successfully fixed ShareX capture region not working issue. Now your region selection should work smoothly again. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.